Hi, fantastic fourth graders. Yes, this is Eureka Math, Module 1, Lesson 13, with Mrs. Fuska. Okay, today our learning target is I can add and subtract fluently using the standard algorithm. Standard algorithm, we're just using standard form to subtract today. Okay, I'm sure that all of you can just do regular subtracting, but I really want to show you on the place value chart what we actually do when we're subtracting so that we can visualize that in our mind. So I'm going to take the number that I have, which would be 4,259. I'm going to put that on my place value chart, and then we're going to take some things away. Okay, so if you look at the place value chart, I put that I had 4,000s, I have 200s, I have 5 10s, and I have 9 1s. And then over here, I've written it out so that we can do it the standard algorithm. So if I have 9 and I take 1 away in my 1s, I can do that. So I have 9 and I take away 1, then I would have 8 left. Okay. Now let's go over to the 10s. In the 10s column, I have 5 10s, but I'm supposed to take away 7. I have a problem. If I have 5, how can I take away 7? So I need to decompose one of my hundreds. So let's just see what that looks like on the place value chart. So if I take away 100 and I decompose it into 10s, I have 10 10s make 100. So now I have 15 10s, so I can actually take away 7. So I'm going to do that on the place value chart, and then I'm going to do it over here in the standard algorithm. So I have 15, I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I'm left with 8. What that would look like over here is I'm going to take one of my hundreds away, so I'm left with 100, just like on my place value chart, and then I'm going to have 15 10s, and then I'm going to take that away and I'm going to have 8. 15 take away 8 10s is 15 take away 7 10s is 8 10s. Okay, now on my place value chart, I have 100 left, and I'm supposed to take away 100, so that works. 1 take away 1 equals 0. And then over on my thousands, I have 4 thousands, and I need to take away 2, which is going to leave me 2. So I have 2,088. Okay, now we're going to try one that's a little bit larger numbers. So we have 23,422, take away or subtract 11,510. So I'm going to start with my ones column. If I have 2 ones and I take away 0, then I'm going to have still 2 left. I go to my 10s. If I have 2 and I take 1 away, then I'll still have 1 10 left. Now, I have 400s and I want to take away 500s. Oh no, I don't have enough. So I'm going to go over to my thousands and I'm going to take away 1,000. So I'm left with 2,000s. And I know that 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So now I have 14 hundreds and I'm going to take away 5, and that would leave me with 900s left. So then I have 2,000s, take away 1,000. And then 2,000 take away 1,000, and then my answer would be 11,510. Now we're going to do a word problem, and if you remember in class today, we did the read, draw, write method. What that means is we read the problem carefully, find out what we're looking for, then I want you to draw a tape diagram so you can visualize what you're actually doing in this problem, and then I want you to write the answer as a sentence so we understand the answer is not just any random answer, but it's a specific answer with the right units. So let's read this problem. The population of Kaohsiung is 2,538,381. In this population, 1,148,170 are children. So we want to know how many adults are there in Kaohsiung. So let's think about that. So this is the total population, and inside of that population, that's how many children there are. So we want to find the difference between the two because that would tell us how many adults there are. So let's first draw the tape diagram. Okay, so we know the whole is 2,538,381. That's the total population of Kaohsiung. And we know within that there's 1,148,170 children. Now we're trying to find the adults. We're trying to find the difference between. So we're going to subtract. So let's write that as a standard algorithm problem. Okay, so I wrote this in a standard algorithm form so we could figure this out. So let's go ahead and subtract here. I have 1, 1, and then I take away 0 ones. That's going to leave me with 1. I have 8 tens. I take away 7. That's going to leave me with 1 10. I have 3 hundreds. I take away 1, and that's going to leave me with 2 hundreds left. I have 8 thousands. I take away 8. Then I have 0. 3 10,000s, and I need to take away 4. This is where I'm going to need to decompose. So I'm going to take the 5. I'm going to take away 100,000, and that's going to leave me with 400,000s. And I know that 10,000s equals 1, so now I'm going to have actually 13 in my 10,000 column. So now I have enough to take away. I have 13, so I'm going to take away 4. That's going to leave me 9 10,000s. I have 400,000, so I'm going to take away 100,000. That's going to leave me 300,000. And then 2 million, take away 1 million is going to equal 1 million. So now I know that I have 1,390,211 adults. Okay, so now I want to write this as a number sentence. How many adults are there in Kaohsiung? So let's do that. So my answer sentence is there are 1,390,211 adults in Kaohsiung. So here's the second part of our word problem. 432,321 of the adults in the Kaohsiung population are men. How many are women? So let's draw our tape diagram first because we do know our total amount. Okay, from the previous problem, I found out that there were 1,390,211 adults in Kaohsiung. Of that 1,390,211, 432,321 were men. So now I want to find the difference between those two numbers so I can know how many women there are. So I'm going to write this as a standard algorithm. When we're finding the difference between two numbers, remember that would be subtraction. Okay, so here's my standard algorithm problem. Let's go ahead and subtract. I have 1, 1, I take away 1, 1, and I get 0. I have 1 10, I want to take away 2 10s. I don't have enough, so I'm going to need to decompose one of my hundreds and make it into 10 10s. So I have 11, take away 2, that's going to equal 9 10s. And I have 100, take away 300s. I still have to decompose here. This is getting very complicated. I think the one in your practice is not quite as complicated because I go over and I go, oh no, I don't have any thousands. So I go all the way to my 10,000s. I'm going to take away 1 10,000. I have 8 10,000s left. Now I have 10 in my thousands place value. I'm going to be able to take away that too, but I still need some over here, so I'm going to take away from the 10. I'm going to make that a 9, and now I have 11 hundreds, so I can take away 3, and then I have 8 hundreds. I have 9 thousands, I can take away 2, that means I have 7. I have 8 10,000s, I take away 3, so I have 5. And I have 300,000. I cannot take away 4, so I need to take my 1 million over here, and I have 0 millions. Then I'll have 10 more in my 100,000s. So 13 take away 4 is 900,000. So now I know that I have 957,890 women in the population of Kaohsiung. So I want to write that as an answer sentence so that I understand my units. So let's write that sentence. And here's my sentence. There are 957,890 women in Kaohsiung. Okay, now it's your turn to see if you've listened well. I want you to complete all of page 63 and 64 in your Succeed homework book. Pull it out and put it in your clear folder to bring to class tomorrow. Bye! See you tomorrow!